Okay, welcome back to PyraPOD, and yeah, today Richard, Young, and I look at the Angus project. Yeah, Angus is a young man in Edmonton. He like to actually purchase a land, empty land. Because empty land is relatively cheaper, right, compared to land with existing house, and then start from there. He's going to build a PyraPOD and together with LifePOD. PyraPOD refers to the pod that you can grow vegetable year round, and the LifePOD refer to habitat, space for human living. So this is it. This is we presented to him. Today we actually work on the some details like the bridges, right? So what we did is simply we take the same arc from here, swing over, right? And this one also swing over, so because this area need a support, right? And then we find out interesting, we find out that what we end up with is the smallest version of PyraPOD4. This angle we'll see, this the pyramid shape, it's just formed by one arc, and then 2, 3, 4, and then if you connect the bottom, right, that's pyramid, right? That's a curved pyramid. Anyway, this is the same arc for PyraPOD4 Grande-12, but we use it to make PyraPOD8G-12, so if you measure the distance from here to here, that's 12 feet, right? And so for that reason we call it Twin PyraPOD8G-12. So because this is for two family, who like to live together, but each side have separate area, right? And as you can see, it has basement. So basement area is for the fish tank, and also for the soap, liquid soap reservoir, and other things, right? So basically we have a huge amount of geothermal mass as the cold source, and the sun represents the heat source, right? So we combining the two sources, then we can create an environment that is in the middle, and then because of the thermal mass involved, we can have the stability, the heat, the heat base, for the whole structure. So for that reason, we can save space heating and cooling, because right now we use instead of using gas or electricity, we use the sun, right, as the heat source, and the earth as the heat sink. As usual, the wall will have insulation property, at least R20, R24, and the PyraPOD also right now it's the separation, it's 24 inches, so that gives you also R24. So this is this is how you can do something like this in a very cold environment. This is this building will be located just north of Edmonton, so where it's very cold in the winter time, right? So for that reason, we use this solar system to collect enough solar energy to heat the entire structure, right? So that's why you can see the whole roof, it's almost transparent, right? It's a double layer, yeah, and equipped with water spray system, and also bubble producing yeah, generators. So yeah, for that reason we can maintain very comfortable temperature for the environment. Yeah, as you can see, by accident almost find that it actually see PyraPOD4, the smallest version of PyraPOD4 hidden in here. Yeah, so I'm just curious, let's measure the distance because we know this is 12, so I just wonder what's the distance from here. Let's see, from here to here. Oh, it's also 12. Interesting. We didn't know. Well, indeed, yeah, that's 12 because basically, oh yeah, this side is just a mirror image of this and this. You see, this correspond to this correspond to this. Just you rotate that at this point by 90 degree, right? Then you end up having this. Yeah, indeed. Yeah, so this is 12 also. That's interesting. Anyway, so yeah, so and the whole structure is symmetrical. Let me show you the top view. Yeah, this is the top view. It's you see, it's from seeing from top, it looks like two arrows, two arrows, and then yeah, two arrows connected in here. So yeah, this is the bridge between the two units, and also we see from this is the elevation view from the side. Yeah, and there's stairs. I think I already mentioned there's stairs leading up to the second level, where you can access to the yeah, the growing area, right? And then also stairs going down to the basement. Yeah, because of there's a stair here, right? Stairs here, so there's no entrance. So the entrance on the other side. But actually, we mentioned that if he want, he can add a mud room here very easily. Then that way, the both unit have another entrance, right? Separate entrance. Yeah, on the other side, and so this is the common entrance, right? Yeah, this is the door in we can, yeah, in the front, right? And that we can call the backyard, right? And then you turn left, you enter into this unit, and then turn right, enter into this unit. Yeah, so that's what it is. And floor plan, basically it's over here, that's two bedrooms sharing one bathroom, and this one is just it's a master bedroom, with its own bathroom, and also a kitchen area. Yeah, and this is the living area, this is the dining area. Yeah, and there's a lot of space also on the second level. So the second level could be used for office, and also could also grow things, right? So lots of spaces. Okay, yeah, until next time, we'll see you.